I'm Adrian Crawford. Welcome to Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche. Today I want to show you around a car which is one of my personal favourites. We'll talk to you about the particular car, take it for a drive and show you what's really special about this actual example. I can't usually hide my enthusiasm for these cars. The G-Series 911, the impact bumper cars, are something that I've dealt with for the last 20 or 30 years, and I really enjoy them. And one of the things that I thought that I'd point out is this beautiful panoramic cabin that I can see the sea. It's just such a beautiful view out of these. I did say there's something else that I very much like about this particular car, about why it's special and why it has a story. And let me go into that now. So what makes them special? Sometimes it's a story, sometimes it's a specification, sometimes it's a condition. But most of all, I love the story behind them, because these cars, this particular car, this one could tell stories. Where it's been, we don't know, but it's part of many people's lives. And the first part of it is especially interesting to me. This is a Polo red car, so the paint code is L999. L999 means that it was a special order car, a special order colour, not from your regular colour charts. And in this case, it was a colour from 1966 through to 1969. And it's got a little tinge of blue in it. So whoever ordered this car knew, really thought about it, because the Polo red, it's got this little bit of blue, and inside this car's got all dark blue leather, which is very unusual. So unusual that it's the only one I've ever seen, the only Polo red impact bumper 911 I've ever come across anywhere in the world, and I look all the time. The second part of this is that who on earth would have ordered such a special colour? And the answer might lie in its first owner. The first owner was Roger Clark MBE. Now, back when I was a lad, he was a hero, a rally driver. He won multiple British championships with Ford. Later in the mid-70s, he was seen running a Cossack Escort, which was in a very similar colour to this. And then in 1984, he entered the RAC Rally as a factory driver with Rothmans, supported by Dave Richards at ProDrive, and that was in a 911 SC RS. And a lot of his competition cars from the 60s and 70s bore the registration number 2A, got to get this right, ANR, Alpha November Romeo, 2 Alpha November Romeo. And Roger Clark was also a Porsche dealer. And this car bore his registration number for the first 6 months and was believed to be his personal transport, because that's what he did. So Roger Clark, MBE, most likely was at the wheel of this car in the same year he was at the wheel of the 911 SCRS in the World Championship Rally then of the RAC. And that, to me, is something special as well. So there we have it, an early 911 3.2 Carrera. This is a one of one. It isn't going to come up again. You won't see another one in this colour. If you do, let me know.